Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Balmain Legion eyeglasses model BPX-112A. The color of the frame is black and gold. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. Its temples are black, and you'll find the Balmain logo in gold on its temple tip, as well as the B Balmain emblem. This is the inside of the frame. You'll also find the Balmain logo on its nose pads. On its inner right temple is the model name, which is Legion, the model number, the color of the frame, which is black and gold, and that it's made in Japan. And on its inner left temple is the dimensions of the frame and the Balmain and Paris logo. The glasses also come with a Balmain in Paris booklet, a Balmain in Paris certificate of authenticity card, a Balmain dust bag, a Balmain case, and a Balmain in Paris gift box. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out joylot.com and have a joyful day.